Good morning, everybody. Back here in Fairfax, Virginia. We got a pool we finished up for the winter. We've got enough that we've got finished right now. We are not actually finishing this pool till the spring because I'm not going to put an interior finish, pebble finish on a pool when it's 28 degrees outside and temperatures in the 30s at night. This is not good for our customer. So we're going to put the winter cover on, batten down the hatches until the spring. So we're going to unbox that today. I'm going to show you how to put a winter cover on a pool. This is a bag to store your cover in. When you don't have it in your pool, Kadin Covers comes with a nice bag. Stick that in the garage. So each bag's gonna come with the Kadin spring and our inserts for the concrete. Each one of these inserts gets put into the concrete with a 3/4 inch hole. We're gonna drill it down in there. And each one of them has an insert pin that you unscrew every winter, which lifts it up to attach your cover to. In the springtime, when your cover comes off, everything goes back down on the ground, flush, so nobody trips on them. Those stay in your concrete all year round. Your installation pole, this is what you use. Put the covers on, I'll show you how that works. All right, so this is a smaller pool. It's a 12 by 24 pool. We're gonna use these buckets. Fill them with water a little bit, use them to hold the cover down. It's kind of a cheap, easy way to do it. These store really easy in your truck. Bring them over, the guys can bring them. Excuse me. You empty them out when you're done. Fill them up when you need them with water. Do not stand on your cover, it's super slippery. Again, we've left this pool unfinished. Put this cover on it. We'll come back in April or March possibly when it gets a little warmer, and that way we can finish this pool the way it's supposed to be finished. The customer can brush it down and do the proper break-in technique for your new pool. So it's cold here in Northern Virginia right now. I mean, we're talking 20s during the day, 30s at night, maybe 40s during the day. So you got to make sure you turn your customer's hose bib off when you're done. Probably have to run in, turn it on, turn it off when you're done. The thing that makes it pretty easy is we order these covers 12 inches to overhang, so hopefully they're cut 12 inches overhang. But the cool thing is we do a 12-inch coping when we cut these concrete. So if we do a concrete pool or have a 12-inch coping, kind of use that as a guide. All right, so that gives us 12 inches all the way around the pool. We make sure our cover fits, which it does. These are all custom measured, custom fit, custom cut, custom made. You wonder why you pay so much for these cut covers. For one, they're safety covers. They serve a purpose for your pool. They keep a lot of debris, junk out of your pool over the winter. And two, I don't know if there's a two. I don't think there's a two. They're just expensive. As a customer, if you want to put your own pool cover in, we're showing you how to do it. Save you probably $1,000. What you don't want to do is get yourself in a false sense of security. You see that cover and you think you can walk on it. It's a big hole in that ground. Don't be silly, don't fall in the hole. All right, so got your Kadin spring, we got our insert into the concrete, and we've got our cable. And people say, how do you put these cables on? Well, here's a simple way. Basically, you're gonna take this through, around, flip it over. Now it gives you enough room to tension it here and here, however you need to do it to loosen, tighten, to get this nice and tight. Then we're going to measure 4 inches from here, 4 inches, and that's going to be our spring, and that's how much we're going to tighten that pool. I'm doing this for my guys. It's cold, they're running a little late, so I got here early. I always get here early, and that's what we're going to do. Get it prepped for them.
Yeah.
Make sure we pull here. There you go.
Yeah.
Right there.
Okay. Thank you. Okay.
Yeah, it's easy if two guys go down. One holds, one's marks.
Okay.
Consistency is the key. Measure twice, drill once. Good, good.
Okay.
Perfect.
Ya lo ponemos. Flash.
Yep. Or you use the right tool for the job.
Yeah. Hey, that
Keep going.
Should be
Until you see the threads.
Ahí
Keep
está.
going, keep going, keep going, keep going. There you go.
Okay.
That's good. See a couple threads, you're good to go.
Ahí. Agarra este.
That's going to take some. Here's where your power is going to come.
Se mete acá. Oh shit. Okay, mete aquí.
You're going to need to get behind it and pull that sucker. Get behind it. Oh, you're going to do that way? Okay. Put it down first. Foot. Slide it down. There you go.
Ahí.
Boom!
Ya está.
Only 12 more.
¿Cuál ahora? ¿Cuál más?
30 minutes. 30 minutes. They know what to do. We got it. So you saw me set this pool up. I got everything kind of going. Then the guys came in, and honestly, I was teaching these guys the first time how to do these covers because we're trying to do some installs and winterization. And these are a crew I'm getting ready, kind of training them. So they got to learn how to do it. You got to walk it through them. You got to put the time in. Can't expect people just to know what to do. So you can see I set it up. Probably took me 15 minutes to set it up first time for this cover. And it's going to take them 30 minutes to drill this the right way. Take their time, do it. Probably an hour, maybe an hour to get it all done. 2 hours tops installing this 12 by 24 pool cover. Okay, so you saw him just do this one. Ideally we do the middle ones. There's no middle one on this one. So pick one, you do both sides. Then you pick the closest one to the middle on this side, do the same thing. So you pull it tight, and we're gonna work out from all of the things we did. This way, right? So it pulls tension. You never wanna start in a corner and you have slack in the middle of the pool. We'd rather a little slack on the outside where you have the two adjustments. Like you can see, there's two adjustment points here on both axes. All right, we are done with our cover install here. Went super smooth. You can see, I was training the guys, so it took a little bit longer, but it is, I got here at 9:30, it's 11:16. We are done, installed, looks super sweet. Very nice finish. I love these Caden covers. Ah boy. And see, a good thing about the buckets, guys, they fold up when we're done, right in the back of the truck, sandbags. You don't have to move more about them breaking on anything. The buckets are the way to go. Thanks for following along with our winter cover installation. Hope you learned something. You see how easy it is.